Hey babe, so I decided to tie myself doing my half up, half down braidless crochet style. This is actually the very first video that I've ever uploaded onto my YouTube channel back in, I believe, 2019. This video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll be talking just kind of here and there. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're able to take this with you and be able to do this at home. Be sure to give this video a like, comment, share this video as well, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get on right onto it.
Other girl like you, this ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And enough.
So I am using a rat tail comb to really make sure that my product is combed through without causing any type of residue once it actually dries. Then I'm actually going in with a scrunchie to make sure that I have a pretty comfortable ponytail and to avoid any type of breakage from like rubber bands. Also, be sure that you don't make your ponytail too tight because you are going to be, of course, crocheting hair as well and doing like the little tie knot, so you don't want to give yourself a headache.
And make you smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
So what everybody has been asking me for years, I am using the Zury V8910 in the texture of the rod set. You only need one pack, but I did decide to use 2 packs this time. This is personal preference. You do not have to use 2 packs to achieve a nice full crochet look that I'm doing, but this was just what I wanted to do this time. The limbs are not too far apart, as you can see, so make sure that you have your bundles spaced out so that you don't get confused. And what I am doing is completely covering up my whole backside, and I'm also going to be crocheting through the ponytail as well.
My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. On the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Now we have filled up the back and it's nice and full and it's lightweight as well. And now we're going to be heading over to the top ponytail, and I'm going to be using an 8-inch bundle for my ponytail. And just like I did with the back, I am actually going to start with crocheting through the bun, and then I'm also going to be placing some around the bun kind of in the front to just give it a nice full finish. Creating that clean finish and hiding any of the knots that you may see, I'm grabbing about 2 curls and I'm just going to be wrapping it around the base of my ponytail to give it a nice finish.
Right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in the deep end, deep end, deep.
Just a little update on time. It took me exactly 40 minutes to do this style. This is my very first video, and I just thought I'd recreate it for one, and I wanted to be able to just kind of update you on other ways that you can do it. It wasn't really nothing like really different besides product was the main thing that I wanted to let you all know about, as well as actual hair. I do see in my old video that I don't have the brand name. Like, y'all, it was my first video, it was 2 years ago, so now you see exactly what it looks like. It's going to be in the description below. This is number 4 hair, and I am using, instead of just one pack, I actually have the whole pack in the back of my head, and then I have some of the new pack of the 8 inches as the ponytail part. So instead of using one pack, I use 2. You do not have to use 2. You can, of course, achieve it with one pack. You can do that, but I wanted the back to be like as full as I possibly could get it, so I placed them really close this time. But this is the look, and this style will last you. I'm definitely going to be wearing this for a little bit because I have pre-recorded some other videos for you all, so I'm going to be wearing this for definitely probably up to a week. But it definitely can last definitely a week or maybe even a little bit longer. Be prepared to have to, of course, snip at some of the hair because it is going to get frizzy. The hair is going to shed because, you know, it's crochet hair and it doesn't, you know, it's not like on a track. But it's no problem to have to, you know, cut at pieces every now and again. It's not going to mess up the style, so you're good to go. It's inexpensive. I believe this hair was, I think this hair honestly was maybe, I'm going to say between I'll say maybe $10 to $12. Super inexpensive, definitely inexpensive style. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you're able to do this at home. I have seen some comments even recently of people seeing my old video and saying that they have been doing this style. So whether you're watching the newer version of this video or the old one, thank you for watching, and I will see you babes in my next video.